Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Earrings by Angela channel, where we learn, live, and create. Today's affirmation will be repeated in a looped form, which means I will repeat the same affirmation over and over, and I invite you to repeat it with me. Um, Repetition makes it so that we believe what we are saying because our subconscious is like, oh, they're not playing it. I need to make sure that this really happens and it becomes their truth. Okay. So we will do that and make sure you stay till the end of this video for a very special message. And I am ready to begin. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. That is the end of our short but sweet affirmation session today. And here is a special message that I have for you. You guys, I totally imagine a river of compassion flowing as I said that affirmation. And I'm wondering if you visualize that as well. What would happen if you took the affirmation and actually visualized your anger washing away from your body? I think that's really powerful because that is your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you can come back into your heart center where forgiveness happens and their compassion lies, right? And what happens if you decide, oh, this thing that I'm angry about, yeah, it's temporary anger. I'm totally pissed, but it's not that serious. I'm gonna show this person a different side. I want to show them love. I want to love on somebody today, and maybe that love has to start with you showing compassion for you. What are you angry at? Because that anger can be replaced with forgiveness. And forgiveness is a sign of love. So who do you need to forgive today? Who do you need to show more compassion towards? Is it your elderly relative that might be going into dementia? Can you think about how they may feel when you say, hey, you told me that for the fifth time? They're like, dang, am I really losing my memory? And that's embarrassing. I can give you that because I've dealt with it. Not for me, but family member. We always want to show compassion and think about the other person, right? Instead of being upset about the smallest thing. You told me that already, or you know, I'm doing it, or whatever it may be. I'm just thinking on my feet right now, for example. But that's the thing. Imagine that river of compassion flowing over you calming you down so that you don't say something that you don't mean, or you don't do something that it's gonna have a ripple effect later. But I dare you to show love, right? So when that person cuts you off in traffic, don't stick up your middle finger. Just be like, boo, you can have it. It's not that serious. Right? Make it a funny. As they say, make it a funny. But that's what I wanted to leave you with today. Water washes things, right? So let it wash away that anger and fill it with love. So I want to love on you today. I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel so you can be with the Earrings by Angela family, or the EBA. Earrings by Angela family. And invite a friend, share this video, like, and comment. Say hello. Like, thanks for doing the affirmation with me this morning, Angela. Or, hey, I needed this. Or, give us your affirmation. What do you usually say in the morning? Or whenever, because I say mine throughout the day. So, on that note, peace and blessings to you all.